Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises to simplify your cooking experience, the Gourmia Rice Cooker. We found this product online, and you can check the description below for a link to the latest price and availability. The Gourmia Rice Cooker is a 5-quart digital cooking appliance designed to take the hassle out of meal preparation. With the capacity to cook up to 20 cups of rice, 10 cups uncooked, this rice cooker is perfect for families or anyone who likes to meal prep for the week ahead. Its non-stick pot ensures that your rice comes out fluffy and perfectly cooked every time, while also making cleanup a breeze. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its 7 digital one-touch presets, which include options for white rice, multigrain, oatmeal, cake, sauté, steam, and slow cook. This versatility means it can handle not just rice, but also a variety of grains and even desserts. So, if you've ever wanted to whip up a quick oatmeal breakfast or a delicious cake, this rice cooker has got you covered. Another great feature is the steam tray that comes included. This allows you to cook rice and steam vegetables, dumplings, or fish simultaneously, making it incredibly convenient for one-pot meals. Imagine preparing a complete dinner, perfectly cooked rice alongside steamed broccoli and fish all at the same time. It's a real game-changer for busy weeknights. The Gourmia Rice Cooker also boasts a 15-hour delay timer, which is fantastic for those who like to plan their meals ahead of time. You can set it up in the morning, and by the time you get home, a hot meal will be waiting for you. Plus, the automatic keep warm mode ensures your food stays hot and ready until you're ready to eat. Cleanup is another area where this rice cooker shines. The non-stick pot and accessories are dishwasher safe, making it easy to maintain. Whether you've been cooking up a feast or just making a simple batch of rice, you won't have to spend ages scrubbing pots and pans afterward. This rice cooker is suitable for families, busy professionals, and anyone who wants to make their cooking experience more streamlined and enjoyable. Whether you're preparing meals for a family gathering or just want to simplify your weeknight dinners, this cooker is a reliable companion in the kitchen. In summary, the Gourmia Rice Cooker is a versatile, user-friendly appliance that can elevate your cooking game. With its large capacity, multiple presets, and convenient features, it's designed to make meal prep easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.